To troubleshoot the Authorize net-hosted payment form, start by verifying your account settings and ensuring that your account is active and in good standing. Check that your merchant ID and API login ID are correct and properly configured in your payment form settings. Next, review your payment form configuration to ensure that it is set up correctly. This includes checking the payment form URL, the payment gateway settings, and the transaction key. Make sure that the payment form is pointing to the correct URL and that the payment gateway settings match your merchant account settings. If you are experiencing issues with transactions, check the transaction logs to identify any error messages or codes. Common error codes include declined transactions, invalid credit card numbers, and expired credit cards. Use these error codes to troubleshoot the issue and provide feedback to your customers. Another key area to check is the security settings of your payment form. Ensure that your payment form is using a secure connection, such as HTTPS, and that your SSL certificate is up to date. This will help prevent any security warnings or errors that may be preventing transactions from processing. In addition to these technical checks, also review your payment form from a customer perspective. Ensure that the form is easy to use, and that all required fields are clearly labeled and functional. Test the payment form with different payment methods and browsers to identify any compatibility issues. To prevent future issues, implement best practices such as regular testing and maintenance of your payment form, and staying up to date with any changes to the Authorize Net Payment Gateway. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly identify and resolve any issues with your Authorize Net-hosted payment form, and provide a smooth and secure payment experience for your customers.